this was the image that like inspired everything. This is gravitational lensing right here happening because of this galaxy cluster in the front is like really big. And it's affecting the light behind it. So this is actually the same galaxy. It's just kind of stretched out. And that got me thinking about, you know, the warping of light in space. Scientists are able to use this effect to look at events that are happening, like, you know, something like a star goes supernova. If they look at it through a gravitational lens and say they can see it here, but they know that over on this side, it's going to appear like 3 seconds later, just because of the way the light is warped. So the way the light is traveling around the gravitational lens can affect like events, and they can like predict events because they'll watch the event over here and they'll be like, oh wow, let's capture that. And they'll look at the gravitational lens effect where they know it has like a 3-second delay. And they'll be able to catch like the supernova, which you wouldn't be able to normally catch. So we went through the Whitney's collection to find abstract paintings that I could use, that I was inspired by to create these gravitational lensing sculptures. So my vision was that I would take the painting into ZBrush and look at it head on and break it apart into shapes and then explode them in the Z-axis. So it's just like tracing and outlining all of the different abstract forms and like picking out which forms and then kind of deciding which forms belong in front of other ones, which ones are in the foreground, which ones are in the background, and then it's kind of just deciding then like what's in front of the other one and like pushing and pulling and deciding where everyone belongs. And like each abstract form became like a cute little character. And I was like, and I gave them all like little nicknames, and I was like, okay, you belong in the front of the line, and then these ones going behind you. And the idea was to make not only for everything to line up, so when you're looking at it front on, it looks like the painting, but also create an environment, because the viewer is not just supposed to view the sculpture or view the painting, they're supposed to interact with it kind of like architecture. So the intent was for it to be like larger than life. It was supposed to be big, it was supposed to be grand, it was supposed to be architectural, it was supposed to be an environment. So in the VR space, you can walk through the painting. I'm Ashley Zelinskie, and my piece, Twin Quasars, is on view on Whitney's Art Court.